So now that you're comfortable with example 3 here, where we're playing the parallel triads in the keys of C, D, E, F, G, and A majors, now we can do some variations on this. This is going to prepare us to basically improvise and create our own harmonizations and accompaniment patterns to melodies. So if we look at example 4 here, notice how it's the same exercise. The only difference is now we're doing a pattern that includes some broken triads. So in C major, we're going to do the exact same pattern that we did on the top of the page here, but now we're going to apply this pattern. So for C major, the 1 chord will be this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 chord, 3 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 chord. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll go through and do it in each of the different keys. For this, I will show you with the scale book, just because it'll be a little bit easier to have a visualization. So here's D major that we'll do next. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 chord. 2, 3, 4. 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 chord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 chord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll go on to E major. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2 chord. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So dominant. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mediant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Supertonic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tonic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can do the same thing for F major. Here we go. Tonic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Supertonic. Mediant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Subdominant. 2, 3, 4. Dominant. 2, 3, 4. Back to subdominant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mediant. 2, 3, 4. Supertonic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tonic. we'll go to G major. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4. 2 chord. 2, 3, 4, 3 chord. 2, 3, 4 chord. 3, 4, 5 chord. 2, 3, 4, 4 chord. 2, 3, 4, 3 chord. 2 chord. 3, 4, 1 chord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we go to A major. Same idea. Starting from the tonic. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super tonic. 2, 3. Mediant. 2, 3. Subdominant. 2, 3. Dominant. Descending to subdominant. 3, 4. Mediant. 2, 3, 4. Supertonic. 3, 4. Tonic. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's it for that part of the exercise. Now let's take a look at 5. Okay, and this is pretty straightforward. You're going to play tonic in C major, up to dominant, back to tonic. Then tonic, down to the dominant, and back to the tonic. Then you'll do the same for D major, tonic, dominant, tonic, and then tonic, dominant, tonic. Okay, and then you'll do the other keys as well. E major, tonic, up to dominant, B, back to tonic, E. Tonic, E, down to dominant, back to tonic, E. Then F major, dominant is C, back to tonic F. Tonic F, down to dominant C, back to tonic F. Up to G, dominant is D, back to tonic G. Tonic G, down to dominant D, back to tonic G, and then last but not least A. Dominant is E, back to tonic A. Tonic, dominant is E, and back to tonic. So it's just getting you used to going tonic, dominant, tonic, both ascending to dominant and descending to dominant. And then last but not least, C goes from tonic to subdominant. So let's try this. Okay. If hands are together is difficult, start with hands alone, and then get to hands together. Tonic, subdominant is F, back to tonic is C. Of course, feel free to slow the video down. Tonic C, down to dominant F, then back to tonic C. Going up to D major, tonic is D, subdominant is G, tonic is D. 1 chord, 4 chord is G, 1 chord is D. Up to E major, 1 chord is E, 4 chord is A, 1 chord is E. 1 chord is E, 4 chord is A, and back to the 1 chord E. Now F, 1 chord is F, 4 chord is B flat, 1 chord is F. 1 chord is F, 4 chord is B flat, 1 chord is F. G major, tonic is G, Subdominant is C. Tonic is G. Tonic is G. Subdominant is C. Tonic is G. And last but not least, A. Tonic is A. Subdominant is D. Tonic is A. Tonic is A. Subdominant is D. And tonic is A. It'll take some work, but when you get comfortable with these harmonizations, it's just going to be a piece of cake for you, and you'll actually be able to do quite a lot. Anyway, so the next section will be harmonization. I'll see you there.